how to set a custom screen resolution in PC or laptop. So if you want to set a custom screen resolution in PC or laptop, then first what you need to do is you need to simply go for your settings. So open up your Windows and then search for settings and open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you can simply have a search bar right here on the upper left. Go for the search bar and then search for screen resolution, and here you will have changed the resolution of the display. So you can simply choose the first option which pops up on your screen, and here once you choose the option, now you will have this kind of interface where it will take you to the system and then the display. So under this you will have scale and layout, and here you will have the 125 which is recommended, and you will have the display resolution on the second option, which is here. You can simply go for the right and then click on it, and here you will have all of these bunch of resolutions that you can use. So if you want to set a custom screen resolution, then it's not possible on your PC or your laptop, but you can simply change your resolution. You can choose another resolution or any resolution that you're comfortable with on your PC or laptop, but you can't set a custom one. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.